Soft strings echo like a long-kept truth. Wind through open windows, something new. We didn't anticipate it, didn't realize what quiet rooms could come to bloom inside. No grand hello, no trumpet call or sign. We came in carrying secrets we never let breathe. Parts of us folded, tugged down in the seams. But then your clear, kind laughter cut right through me, and suddenly we were all Geica, finally free. It wasn't loud, it wasn't grand, just open hearts and steady hands. A moment, a laugh, a fragile thread, but still it stitched new stars overhead. None of you dim by the other's lights. You burn warm, you burn honest, you burn right. An idea, a joke, a spark that stays. You made the room brighter just walking in that day. We were drifting planets in our separate lines, orbiting quietly, trying to make sense of time. Then somehow the distance folded clean, and suddenly the space between felt serene. You brought calm, you brought truth, you brought heat, a rhythm steady as a heart that keeps. I didn't know how much I needed all of that until the silence turned to something I could trust back. It wasn't loud, but it felt real, a reminder of the things we're meant to feel. A moment, a laugh, a fragile thread, but still a stitch, new stars overhead. None of you dim by the other's light. You burn warm, you burn honest, you burn right. An idea, a joke, a spark that stays. You made the room brighter just walking in that day. Here's to your parts all rough and whole, the pieces that make you feel like home. Not passing names, the scenes we play, but friends I thank the heavens for each day. A moment, a laugh, a fragile thread, still mapping constellations overhead. You shine in ways you'll never see, and somehow make more room inside of me. An idea, a joke, a steady flame. The world felt warmer once you came. Planetary orbits finally aligned, and I'm grateful you crossed